Hello everybody, this is Rashmi, and in my today's video we are going to discuss about conditional and shorthand operators. As we have already discussed the operators in Java Token 2 video, but still we need to more details about the operators. So on that series we have already discussed the increment decrement operator. Now today we are going to discuss conditional operator. As we all know that conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. Why it is called ternary operator? Because it's having three expressions, all right, and it is denoted by colon and question mark. As you can see, whenever is there any expression in which colon and question mark word comes together, so you must be understand it is a conditional operator's question. Now the three operands, this is the only operator in which it takes three terms and operands and returns a value. That means this operator will gives you value. Means in the previous logical and relational operator it returns a value but in terms of boolean, but in this expression it will returns you value like integer, double, float. It depends on the situation. Okay, and now when we talk about the syntax, first you have a condition, after that there is a question mark symbol. If the condition is true, the next expression after the question mark will be evaluated. Otherwise, if the condition will false, the value of colon, the value of written after the colon will be इवेल्युएटर्स. मीन्स बेसिकली तीन एक्सप्रेशन है आपके पास. पहला एक रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन है. अगर रिलेशनल एक्सप्रेशन आपका ट्रू होता है तो क्वेश्चन मार्क के बाद जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो आपकी फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगी. अगर रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर फॉल्स होता है तो कोलन के बाद जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो आपका रिजल्ट हो जाएगा. टू मोर अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. लेट अस सपोज वी हैव अ वैल्यू स्कोर जिसकी वैल्यू 78 है. ऑलराइट, नाउ एक्सप्रेशन चेक कर लेते हैं. वी हैव एक्सप्रेशन स्ट्रिंग RES एंड मीन जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा वो RES में जाके स्टोर होगा. किसका? टर्नरी ऑपरेटर का. Now as you can see the expression is there where what you need to be calculate that score value must be greater than equal to 40. If it is true you will get pass as a RES value, otherwise you will get fail as a RES value, and after this you have to print that value. So for this type of question, first we need to calculate the relational expression. That means the score must be greater than equal to 40. So as you can see the score value is already given in your question, that is 78, and 78 is more than or equal to 40, mean true answer is there because it's a relational operator na, greater than equal to we have already discussed in previous chapter, previous video. So the condition is true. So according to the ternary operator, if the condition is true, the value of after the question mark will be stored. So means the RES value will be pass. All right, because we are printing over here only RES, so it will give only pass. No, nothing else. You don't need to be write SOP in bracket pass, which will indicate a wrong statement. Okay, so let's take one more example. In this we have two values. Okay, first if the value of n is 100, or second if the value is 30 of n is 30. So we will take the expression first. What do you need to be do? There is expression given over here where n plus 10 more than 100, question mark 100, question mark 100 colon 200. मीन्स अगर ये एक्सप्रेशन ट्रू हो जाता है तो n की वैल्यू 100 हो जाएगी. अगर ये एक्सप्रेशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा तो n की वैल्यू आपकी 200 हो जाएगी. ऑलराइट, तो डिपेंड करेगा आपके एक्सप्रेशन के रिजल्ट पे. सो लेट्स टेक, उसके बाद आपको लास्ट में y की वैल्यू प्रिंट करनी है एज इट इज, जैसे हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में की थी. सो लेट अस सपोज, लेट्स अज्यूम आप फर्स्ट पार्ट ले लेते हैं. द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 100. सो पुट इन दिस इक्वेशन 100 plus 10 more than 100. So 100 plus 10, as you all know, 110, which is more than 100 and true. So whenever the true condition were there, you will get the answer value of y will be 100. So as you can see in SOP there is a statement that double quotes के अंदर y equal to दिया है, so it will presented as it is y equal to and plus y. In place of plus y the value of y will be written. Okay, so your answer will be y equal to 100. let's take second example for that. That is the second one value where the value of n is 30. So put this n value into the expression, relation expression. 30 plus 10, that is 40. 40 is more than 100, which is false. All right. So in this case, what will be the final value of y is 200. So इसमें ज़्यादा आपको माइंड यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, बहुत सिंपल है. अगर एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू ट्रू आ रही है तो क्वेश्चन मार्क के बाद वाली वैल्यू आंसर होगी, अदरवाइज कोलन के बाद वाली वैल्यू होगी. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द शॉर्ट हैंड मेथड. शॉर्ट हैंड आपका एक सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ असाइनमेंट वैल्यूज को प्रोवाइड कराता है. ऑलराइट, जो आपको काफी हेल्पफुल होता है. एग्जाम्पल में देखिए, लाइक वी आर यूज टू राइट x इक्वल टू x प्लस 20, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट लाइक इन अदर वे, दैट इज x प्लस इक्वल टू 20. इट मीन्स सेम, चाहे हम x बराबर x प्लस 20 लिखें या x प्लस इक्वल टू 20 लिखें, बोथ द थिंग्स आर सेम. ऑलराइट, don't confuse with this, and this shorthand method will apply all the arithmetic operator. Like plus के लिए है, it also for the multiplication, x equal to x into 20, so we can write x into equal to 20. Okay, so division, minus as well as modulus में भी ये work करता है. All right, so by this way we can write any expression like x equal to x modulus 20. So we can also write it like in this way, x modulus equal to 20, which means the same, that is x equal to x modulus 20. Let's take example for this. Let us suppose we have a value r, int r, the value of r is 8, and what is the expression? R plus equal to 7. So what do you need to do? You need to evaluate the value of r. So as we have discussed that x equal to x plus 20 or x plus equal to 20, both the things are same. So first what we are going to do, we are going to this shorthand method converted into normal form, like r equal to r plus 7. So as you know, the value of r is 8, so we will take r equal to 8 plus 7, and when we add the value we get 15. Okay, so whatever the code is written inside the SOP message, that should be visible over the screen. So we will get r equal to 15. Take one more example for this. Let us suppose the value of r is 6 this time. What do you need to be calculate? You need to be calculate the modulus over here. All right, so r modulus equal to 2. What does it mean? It means, so first we will take the complete question for, so what does it mean? It means r equal to r modulus 2. So we all are aware that modulus always give you remainder value. Always remember which kind of value? Remainder value. All right, the 6 modulus 2. So as we know 6 आपका 2 की टेबल में आता है, that means पूरा divisible हो जाएगा, कोई कुछ भी remainder नहीं बचेगा. In that case you will get 0 as an answer. All right. So question, why I have mentioned question over here, because sometimes student might get confused, they write the question value which is not the correct answer. All right, ये मैंने सिर्फ hint के लिए लिखा है, so don't take it, don't be write it down on your results. All right, your final result will be 0. So okay, so thank you so much.